In this video, I'm going to help you understand how I take care of signs of aging. Trust me, I think there's nothing to be scared about. We just need to take a little care to maintain the youthful skin, and how I do my minimal makeup that all of you love, natural makeup before which I prep my skin well, and all of these things take really little time the way I do it. So stay tuned, because you have been loving the look. So I just thought, let me take you behind the scenes and tell you some basics that I do. So stay tuned. Hi, I'm Aparna Ganesh and I welcome you back to JoyGeeks. This is where I create tons of beauty content, some fashion, lots of skincare. In the last few months, a year, I've been really taking care of my skin a lot, and I can see the result of what I've been doing. So today I am going to be sharing with you how you can take care of aging. Aging is really something that I find a lot of people being very worried about. I have crossed 40. I'm just about to turn 43 in fact. But I think if we just do some basics, there's nothing to be worried about. We do have signs of aging include like dark spots, pigmentation, puffy eyes, wrinkliness, all of those things. But if we use nice skincare, I think, and have a decent lifestyle, we can combat it and kind of extend the process of aging. We can slow it down. So I want to share with you a product that I've been using, that I can use before I put my basic makeup that is giving me a nice glow. I am already in love with Ayurveda products. This is a new product they've had, which I've been using for a couple of weeks. It's their Ayurveda Amarrupa Wrinkle Repair and Firming Face Oil. I can see the change after having used this, and I'll tell you why I was intrigued and why I actually got this product. Firstly, it is Ayurveda. It is Ayurvedic. I really love. I think I can safely say that, say 95%. In fact, whatever I have used of Kama, I have really loved, and it has suited me. So in that way, it is like a no-brainer. So why did I get this Amarrupa oil of Kama Ayurveda? A couple of things. A, it's natural. It's Ayurvedic based formulation. It has antioxidants and Vyasthapana herbs. What are Vyasthapana herbs? They are the age-defying herbs. So doesn't that already sound good? It is enriched with vitamin C from citron fruit and omega-9 fatty acid. Natural actives like Arjuna extracts that strengthen the skin's barrier, prevent the skin from dryness, and protect the skin from external aggravators. It is clinically tested to reduce dark circles by 31% and smoothen the skin by about 36% in just 28 days. So it's very easy to use. I just need a couple of drops on my face. I just massage it upwards, and I think it's very easy to blend. It's not too chip. It gives my skin a makhan like finish, and helps the makeup go onto it very easily. You can see, I think it's there's nothing on my skin, and you can see that I can feel very moisturized. I can feel like it's taken care of, and I especially love this because it is like many things in this one product. So you can use it in the day and night, which means you don't need two separate creams, especially when you're traveling. It's wonderful. And again, you don't need a separate under eye cream, because this is working wonderfully under the eyes. So I like products that reduce my time, reduce the things I need to use. So I'm very happy with this, and now I'm going to show you the look, the makeup look that I do, which is super natural, and especially I feel because the under eye is taken care of. When you put concealer, it's got nicely prepped for it. All right. So this is going to be a really quick makeup look. It's a quick tutorial. I'm going to be using this concealer from Daughter Earth, which is really nice. I have made a couple of Insta videos with this as well. I just take care of the under eye situation, which I think is a quick job, and I'll probably just show you half the face for you to notice the difference between. I also put it on the top lid. See, if your skin is going to be dry, then your makeup looks crusty, it looks cakey. And even the concealer, especially if you are like anything above 25, if you've taken good care of the under eye situation, your concealer will look really nice. Can you already see this part of the face and this part of the face? And I can use any powder. I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury powder to set this under the eyes. Right now I'm just doing one side. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and use this latest Just Herbs compact powder. I have made a complete review video of this. If you wish, you can see that. I just take this, and I think this is like a powder foundation. They haven't called it that, but I think it is pretty much like a powder foundation. So I'm just doing half the face to show you the difference. Just taking a foundation brush, buffing it all over my face. Now I'm going to, can you already see the difference? It is totally me. This is not bad too. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with being completely natural, but if you just want slightly refined face, you can do that. I'm using this cocoa brown shade from the SuperBrowww of pack, which I really like. I'm using this because I want it super natural right now. So I'll just do my eyebrows well. Brush to set that straight. I literally just do this much. If you want, you can add a liner as well. And I go ahead and I put lipstick. This is Echt Beauty in the shade Spicy Cinnamon. I'm just doing it in half my lip. This is completely natural looking makeup. Just this side of the face is fully my skin, and this side is just a little powder, little concealer, eyebrow. There's no liner, nothing, and a little lipstick. So I hope you can see the difference. The glow which is already there is taking good care of it. So I just need to kind of even out the skin tone with the powder. This dark circles which has already reduced a lot using this oil, I just need to kind of refine it to make it more even toned and get that set. And I'm ready to go for a natural looking face. Now just give me a second, I'll do the same on the other side and come back. Here I am with the full face of makeup for a natural 5-minute look. I love this lipstick. I love Echt Beauty as a brand. I love the makeup that I have used, and all of these products, if there's any discount code or anything that I may have that the brand has offered, I will add it in the description box so you can get this at the best price that's possible. I think there is for Dr. Earth, for Just Herbs, for Echt. All of these, check that out, but I want you to see how quick this is, how natural this looks. And like I said, then if you want, you can add the blush, you can add mascara, you can add eyeliner, but I'm really happy to go just like this. It looks really natural, like I haven't put pretty much anything. You can make it even more natural. One thing is left to make this even more natural is a facial spray. Yes, my absolute favorite spray is from MAC. This is Fix Plus. Whether I do a full face of makeup or I just add powder, I don't want the powder to sit as a separate layer. Although it doesn't, this powder is pretty nice, but still I feel like it works even better when I add a spray. So I'm just going to quickly do that. Do it from far so that you don't have those blotchy, thick drops on your face. Let it just dry. Alrighty, you can see it's completely vanished, and I think it's giving me a very makhan-like finish on the face. I really like this, and I'm glad I can embrace my age. I am not fearful about growing older. I can do the best that I can by eating great food, working out, taking a lot of care of my skin, and slowing down the process of aging, you know. You could do that too. The earlier you start, the better it is. I think definitely they say by 25. Although I started much later than that, but I've always had a healthy lifestyle. So you should, try doing a couple of those things. You know, the basics. Have a lot of water, eat clean. I think that I feel happy and blessed with whatever God has given me. So if you have that sense of contentment also, definitely it works on your skin, because it's your inner joy that's reflecting on your skin. So for the external layers, of course, you have this lovely Amarrupa oil. You have these basics in the makeup game, which is quick to go and gives this lovely look. So I hope you liked this video. Let me know in comments what you do to get a quick 5-minute makeup look. This is really my go-to look. I have been doing lipstick swatches with this. Alright, take care. Bye.